WABC's M. Nguyen continues our coverage. She's live from Washington, D.C. M.
Charlene, despite a worse than expected election night, Republicans still have a chance to win majorities in both the House and the Senate. But Democrats also have a narrow path to retain control of both chambers.
The votes are still being counted, but it appears neither Republican hopes for sweeping victories nor Democrats' fears of crushing defeats were realized. In Pennsylvania,
we bet on the people of Pennsylvania, and you didn't let us down.
Democrat John Fetterman winning Pennsylvania's open Senate seat, the lieutenant governor defeating Republican Mehmet Oz, who was endorsed by former President Trump. ABC News learning Oz called Fetterman this morning to concede. While Trump's endorsement didn't help Oz, another candidate he backed, Republican J.D. Vance, won his Senate race in Ohio.
We'll never forget where I came from, and I will never forget the great people of Ohio. Thank you for this honor to serve you.
His Democratic opponent, Representative Tim Ryan, calling out so-called election deniers in his concession speech.
The way this country operates is that when you lose an election, you concede.
Several other key Senate races, including Arizona, Nevada, Wisconsin, and Georgia, are still too close to call.
Keep the faith and keep looking up.
Just hang in there a little bit longer.
If neither Democratic incumbent Raphael Warnock nor Republican challenger Herschel Walker gets to 50%, they'll face a runoff election next month, which, just like 2021, could have the state of Georgia deciding which party controls the Senate. And in the House,
it is clear that we are going to take the House back.
Republicans were predicting a red wave, but they may end up with the same slim majority Democrats have had for the last 2 years.
The Democrats were able to hold a bunch of their seats. They lost a few on the margins here, but they also picked up some Republican seats.
Now, Republicans believe that voters would focus on their dissatisfaction of the economy and President Biden's policies. But nearly 3 in 10 said that abortion rights was their top issue, just about the same as those who named inflation. On Capitol